video. Today we're playing Save the Dog, but warning, there will be a lot of ads and the video might end. Why? Because I might press on Google and you cannot record on Google. Apps. Let's see how this turns out. Yep, my dog. I should have protected my dog, but I had no left. Circle, protect, circle, circle, circle. Now it's definitely gonna be better, way better. Protect it. That one bee was gonna get him, but thankfully, oh my god! I told you. Alzheimer's. What does this game have to do with Alzheimer's? Okay, I don't know. Also, I got a new alien LED lights. Do you like my alien? Oh yeah, you can't see them, but they're really nice. My nyctophobia is. Oh my god! I got two dogs whimpering in my ears. It's pure pain. Oh, this barely. Oh, it says 7 seconds. Oh, this is 7 seconds. You have to finish. Oh my god, I can't try anymore. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Give me that star, baby. 2 stars. It's nice. Oh wait, I want to be the cat. Yes, I'm the cat. Wait, I'm not the cat. Oh my god, I'm a cat lover. I mean, I don't hate dogs. I just don't like them as much as other people do. And that does mean I hate them though. Okay, let's see. Did I survive? Yes, I did.
Don't play this game at night. It's super creepy. The game is Silent Castle, and your objective is to survive. You and your friends have 20 seconds to find an empty room.
I need to be so careful, or else I'm gonna go on Google and I can't record on Google. Careful, careful, careful. Do not touch your screen. Okay. I'm back on the game. Use the black cat. Okay. Wait, isn't it like what? Okay, I don't know. Wow. I never thought it could turn out so good. I just instantly won. Nice. I'm still a little shocked by the fact this cat cost me 380. 60. Sorry. Yep. Just go ahead and try. What if my cat falls into lava? Wouldn't that be so cool? Not this again. I've gotten this out so many times and I want to kill myself. Yay! Oh, there's 2 beehives. So here's a trick to do it when you have 2 beehives. Just do this. Do a line to support both of them. And then do like this. It's that easy. Look at them. Look at them. They won't get you. It's the easiest hack you can ever do. But make sure you do it perfect. Like I did. And you get 2 stars. And you get 3 stars. But if you have 2 cats and 2, just do this. And do this. And then do this. And then do this. And then boom. And a bunch of those in the middle and you're perfectly fine. You're perfectly good. Whew, nailed it. Oh, another ad. Enjoy the... This is basically... Oh my god, no! I'm gonna get monetized. Come on, man. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone with the ads. I'm trying to record. There's 3 cats. There's 3 cats. Oh, we're gonna just circle all of these. And just don't even do anything to the bees. But like one circle on each and then a line to support them. Bam. 3 cats. Finished, baby. No problem. Wink. Give me that wink at the end. How did I get 1 star? Oh, too many doodles. Okay. I kind of want to like not protect this one. And kind of do it like that. And the other one is just like a circle. Yeah, and another circle. And the beehive, just a circle. There's not too many doodles, right? That's too many. I kind of want to make one of my cats fall into lava. Like, if I do, what will happen? Would the cat just disintegrate? I kind of want to... Why would I want to be blue from Roblox? What is that? What in the world is that? Oh, I guess it's cosplay for Halloween. Boom. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Whew, I was having really bad thoughts about this one. Like, what if it wasn't gonna turn out good? If it wasn't gonna turn out good, then I was screwed. Okay, there's a pyramid, and I see a purple potion. Alrighty, so I just kind of wanna boom, a boom, kaboom, 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 and then like this, and like this, and boom, boom, baby, boom. It's that easy. And they are perfectly fine. Is this... Oh my god, I hate these. I hate these apps. They're so fake. They're like, stop it. You're not gonna get free Robux because they don't even ask for your password on Roblox. They don't even. They should ask for your whole life information and then, yeah, give you your Robux. Let's do this and see if I survive. Yep, you don't even need to do anything to the beehive. You don't need to circle it, you just need to protect the cat, and that's all you need to do. Okay, now this one seems pretty freaking easy. You just boom, bam, bada bop, boom, pow. No, I forgot there was a hole there. Okay, let me retry. So, boom, bam, bada bop, boom, pow. Whoa. Bam. It's that easy.
Don't play this game at night. It's super creepy. The game is
Oh my
castle.
god.
Your objective is to survive. You and your friends have 20 seconds.
Can you not give me ads anymore? Silent Castle, leave me alone. Please? Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay, this is my last level and I'm concluding the video. So there's a boom and a boom. Boom. Y'all ain't getting out of here. Oh no, the cat fell into the spikes. Is that a boom? Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Whoop. Boom, 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 boom. Wabam. Shabam. Shabam. My cat survived. Well, looks like it's time to conclude the video. Hope you guys liked it. And before I end, I'm just gonna do this one just because I'm bored with my life. And my cat survived. So, bye. See you on the next vid.